What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm gonna change the cabin filter on my daughter's the Honda Pilot 2015 Touring Edition, and I'll show you step by step here. Alright, so let me turn the camera around here. Alright. Okay, so the cabin filter, it's located inside your or behind your glove box. So you I clear stuff out already, and all you have to do to access to the cabin filter is to you press this both sides in like that, and then of course you want to also press this side. So this side and this side you press it in, and then your glove box will drop down, and then you can actually see. So let me do that. It's hard for me to do with one hand here. Okay. Oop. All right, so you press on both sides, press on the top here like that inside, and then your glove box will drop down just like that. All right. Okay, and then I'm not sure you can see it back here. So back here is where the air filter. So let me bring the camera down here so you kind of see. Okay. Let me do this here. All right. So you can see there. So the air flows down. You got arrows here, and as you see the clips. These clips right here. And of course there's a clips right there too. Okay, so you press those clips, and then slide it in, slide it out I should say. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, so you can pull that out. Okay, so you kind of see here, oh my goodness, all the, what is that? Oh, some kind of insect there. See a leaf back there. Okay, I don't know what that called. Look how dirty it is. Okay, so let's compare with the new one. See what it looks like. All right. So that's the old one. Put this here, y'all can see it. Alright, so that's the old one. Okay, look how dirty that is. And this is the new one. Okay. Take that out here. You see that? Ooh, it's been a while, like I said. Put this way. Okay. It's been a while since I last changed it. Oh, that thing's still there. See? Okay. Have to do is to take this out, just like that. All right. Just like that. Okay. Put it there. And of course, takes your new one. Just slide it in, just like that. Okay. So it's just like that. And back here, just slide in. Yeah, there you go. All right, so it flush. Make sure it flush. That's what I'm saying. Not flash, flush. Here. All right, and take it back. Just put it back in. It should be that simple. Alright, so just show you, see there's a tab here. Alright, that's why you press on that tab, so, and also on this side. Okay, see that tab there. And all I have to do is just let me switch my hand here so y'all can see better. Okay, so you have to do, just slide that back in. Alright, just like that. Okay, just slide that back in just like that. Okay, and press it in. And then press it in. Just like that. And then you're done. All right. And then once you lift this back up, you do want to press both sides. So let me set the camera down so I can press on both sides of the glove box and put it back. All right. Okay. Alright, so lift that up and then hold to this side. See this here? It's got a little groove cut right here too, so you can kind of bend that a little bit and then press it all the and put it all the way back. There a little. See? So now, okay. So now you're good to go. Alright. So let me all right, folks. So that's about it. That's simple. At least for me, it was simple. It was a little bit difficult to do one hand, but we did it. All right. Hey, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would. It'll help us out immensely. And as always, I appreciate you all, and God bless. All right.
分手会不会被挽留？心碎的声音谁来收？曾经的誓言随风飘走，留下我独自承受。